Mila, and my Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything! Let's go! Wow, cool!
Ooh, what's that?
It's my new drone! That was amazing, Jordie! Thanks, it's the best drone ever. I want that drone. Huh? My drone! It's flying by itself! Come on! Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze! How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself. It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look! Stop, you silly drone! After him! What are we going to do? Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Ooh, thanks, guys. Oh, that close!
The drone! After it! Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control. And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter! Ah! Yeah! What, you useless thing? Oh! Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila. Here you go, Jordie. This is how you fly a drone. Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat.
Yay! April!
Morphle, morph into a ball.
I wish I could morph into fun things too.
I've got an idea.
Huh?
Glitterpug can transform us into magic pets.
Can you turn us into Morphle?
Let's play a game. The one who bounces the highest wins.
What? Ah, great!
Morph helicopter!
Whoa! Whoa!
Morphle win!
Is that Mr. Vanderboos? Oh, this can't be good.
Let's follow them.
Try landing, April.
This is not easy.
Oh no, they hit the crane.
Morph bouncy ball!
Orphle's okay, but the crane's still rocking.
Don't worry, Builder Mary. I am here to help!
Quick, Morphle! Morph into an airplane!
Phew!
I want to be a robot this time.
Oops! Sorry!
I have another idea to catch him. Let's work together. Stop right there.
No!
Yeah, we did it! You two caused a lot of trouble in the city.
I'm sorry, Mila and Morphle. I shouldn't be a Morphle anymore. Can you transform us back, please, Glitterpug?
No! I was having so much fun!
It was fun, but being a Morphle was so hard. I'm happy to be myself again.
There can only be one Morphle and one April, and I love you both.
Did you have fun at the fair, Mila and Morphle?
Yes! And I can't wait to play tea parties with our new baby doll prize.
Morphle thinks baby no want tea.
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. Animi, can you bring our baby doll to life? Then she can really join in.
Hello, Builder Mary.
Hi there. I need a magic pet to help me move some heavy bricks. Can anyone help?
Animi could bring them to life, and they could move themselves.
That would be great.
We'll be back soon, Mila and Morphle.
Bye-bye.
No, giant baby. Magic pet treats aren't baby food. Morph into a ball! Uh-oh. I don't think bringing baby to life was such a good idea. Let's take her to Animi so he can magic her back to a doll again. Oh no! Baby, stop that! You'll hurt Mr. Vanderboos and Barky. Morphle, morph into a kite to get the baby off the car.
No!
Oh no! Stop, giant baby! That's not real ice cream.
Oh no! My van!
Sorry, Geraldo. We'll help you fix it later. Morphle, morph into a dump truck to catch the baby.
Morphle, morph, morph.
I've got an idea. Let's rock the baby to sleep. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You did it, Morphle. Animi, please can you turn our baby doll back to normal?
Morphle think baby awake.
Please hurry, Animi.
Phew.
Mila, what's going on?
Sorry, Daddy. Next time we can play tea parties without bringing the toys to life. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Huh? Oh no! Morphle, I know what will cheer you up. Bah!
My invention is done. I've
invented a youth serum, which I will demonstrate on my assistant.
Oh, that's so cute.
I don't know how to take care of a baby. You have to take her to her daddy while I make an antidote to change her back.
Mila? Mila no cry. Mila hungry? Mila! Mila, where are you?
Wow. Hey, Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed that I was a baby. Isn't that silly? Huh?
Hey, cute little fella. It's so funny to think that one day you will be big and scary.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Paula, we can turn these animals into giants.
We're gonna have a great day at the animal sanctuary, Morphle.
Mila, Morphle, the bandits are zapping all the animals into giants.
Oh no! We need to get the zapper back. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Isn't this great, Marky? Oh no! No, no!
Give us the zapper, bandits.
I don't think so. Yorn, zap them! Uh-oh, we didn't think that one through. We'll be back!
Great! Now let's zap back all the animals. There! It's the penguin! That's one. Hi, we're back.
Great! But... Huh? Oh no! You've become very small. But you're still great animals. Hey!
I have to go and do something now, Morphle.
Morphle come?
Sorry, it's a secret, so you have to stay here. It's okay. I'll be back soon.
Mila!
Bye-bye, Morphle.
Oh! What's wrong, Morphle?
Where's Mila?
I don't know, but I'm sure she'll be back soon.
Morphle, morph, morph. Mila! Mila!
Hello, Morphle. Oh dear, what's wrong?
Mila here?
She's not here. Sorry.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Huh?
Mila here?
What? No, Mila's not here. Put me down, Morphle.
Whoa! Mila here?
Huh? No, Morphle, she's not here.
Huh?
Mila here?
No, Morphle. I'm sure she's around somewhere.
Mila!
Morphle's crying? Not in my city. Come on, Morphle. Dry those tears. Mila is waiting for you at home. Not so fast, Morphle. You haven't checked the backyard yet.
Surprise!
We wanted to throw you a party to thank you for being such an awesome magic pet. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet and good friends. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too!
Aww. Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Ah! Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh!
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
Oh no! Look! Builder Mary is wrecking the city! Why would she do that, Morphle?
Not in my city.
Ooh! Zap him with the Hypno Ray, Jord!
Ah!
Let her knock down that building!
Knock down the building.
Morphle, morph into a giant robot so you can be as big as the buildings.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Stop Mary from wrecking the city, Morphle.
Morphle, stop Mary!
No, Morphle! Help her wreck the city!
Okay, Bandit.
Oh no! Morphle has become bad!
Thanks to this Hypno Ray that we stole from Paula the scientist, everybody in the city will have to do what we say! Give us free ice creams!
Free ice cream?
Daddy, the bandits are making everyone destroy the city.
How can we stop them?
I've got a plan.
We're the most brilliant baddies. And it's all because of this Hypno Ray.
Daddy, grab the bandits.
Oh, hey!
Paula, get the Hypno Ray.
I'll take this.
Hey!
Quickly, unhypnotize Morphle. Mary?
Huh?
And Officer Freeze. Morphle and Builder Mary, can you please rebuild the city?
Yay! Morphle like building.
Uh-huh.
Officer Freeze, arrest those bandits.
For wrecking the city, you two are going to jail.
Why is everyone doing what Mila tells them to do? Yeah, did you hypnotize them?
We didn't do what Mila said because she hypnotized us. We did it because she had a great plan.
Huh?
Forcing people to do things they don't want to isn't very nice. Great work, everyone.
Every day is a magical day with a magic morphing pet.
This is RoboFreeze, a crime-fighting robot version of Officer Freeze.
What a good-looking fellow.
RoboFreeze has 3 settings: off, lenient, and strict. Let's have a demonstration. Mila, could you drop some litter, please?
Please pick up that litter.
Morphle, morph into a trash grabber.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Thank you. You are a good citizen.
Let's have a demonstration of the strict level.
Littering is a disease, and I'm the cure. You're under arrest.
What's happening? Put me down!
I think I made the strict setting a bit too strict.
Morphle, we have to turn the dial on RoboFreeze's chest to off. Come on.
Freeze! You're under arrest for walking on the grass.
But I wasn't walking on the grass!
You were going to.
Huh?
Morphle, get RoboFreeze's dial.
Activate Robo Jetpack.
Morphle, morph into a super suit.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Let's go. Faster, Morphle. He's too fast, Morphle. But how do we catch an officer? By causing as much crime as possible.
Your crane is too noisy. You are under arrest.
What? I'm going to drop this litter.
Remain in your vehicle, citizen. I'll be back.
Here he comes. Morphle, morph into a police car.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Don't drop that. You're under arrest.
You'll have to catch me first.
RoboFreeze trapped!
Let me out.
You're under arrest for being too strict. I've never had to arrest myself before.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me. I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks.
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him! Oops!
Morphle!
Oh, stop! The bridge is going up! We can make it!
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter! Yeah. Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh!
Mila? Yes! It's me, Morphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with Morphing Magic Friends.
Good catch, Mila. It landed right in my hat.
Shark! There's a shark! Ah! Oh no! We have to help him. Morphle, morph into a speedboat so we can get there fast.
Morphle, morph!
We're coming to get you! Uh-oh!
Morphle stuck?
Huh. You're trapped in seaweed. I'll help you, Morphle. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I didn't see where the shark went. I guess it swam away.
Morphle, you have to morph back into yourself to get free. Don't worry, you'll be safe, I promise. We're with you and the silly shark isn't around anymore. Let's play. How about follow the leader in the water? Follow me.
It's the shark again!
Wait, I know that giggle. I think Orphle is just pretending to be a scary shark. He's pranking us.
That's not very nice.
No, it's not. Maybe we should show Orphle how his prank made us feel. Morphle, please morph into a bigger shark than Orphle.
Morphle, morph!
We won't be mean, Morphle. Just swim around Orphle. Orphle, it's not really a shark. It's Morphle. You pranked us, so I wanted to show you how it feels.
Orphle, sorry.
I'm sure you didn't mean to scare anyone.
Orphle, play.
Oh. Why don't we all play a game together?
Yeah!
We could play hide and soak.
Or dolphin polo. Morphle and Orphle can morph into dolphins and we can ride them.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Don't let the ball fall in the water. Shark!
It's just me.
It's not a shark. It's a daddy wearing his shark fin hat. Oh, Daddy.
Hey, how about a daddy and dolphins race?
Yeah! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Huh?
You've been slimed!
Oh no! It's the bandits!
Yeah, and we're gonna slime the whole city. No, don't tell them the plan, you fool!
We need to stop them! Morphle, morph into a...
Not in my city, Mila and Morphle. What do you think you're doing?
We need to catch the bandits!
You need to clean up all this slimy mess you've made.
But we...
Now!
Let's clean the slime up quickly. Yay! Now let's stop those bandits from sliming the city. Uh-oh. Slime! There they are! Look! They're going to slime Police Officer Freeze! Uh-oh! Morphle, spray their slime away with your trunk!
Huh? You two are making a slimy mess again. Clean it up!
But we...
Now!
Okay, Officer Freeze. Yay! Clean again.
For no read.
We need something that can reach the high-up slime. Morphle, morph into a fire truck.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Yay, we did it, Morphle! But now we gotta catch those bandits. Let's go. There they are. Quick, Morphle, blast them with water. You can do it, Morphle!
No!
So, it was the bandits sliming the city all along?
Yes, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Sorry, Mila and Morphle. I jumped to conclusions. And thanks for cleaning up the city. Now I need to clean up the streets of bad guys.
That's okay. At least we caught the slime bandits. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Look! My latest invention, the Teddy Zapper. It can turn humans into teddy bears.
Woo! I'm so soft.
Isn't this great?
Morphle, play with teddy bear, Mila.
Goodbye, Professor Paula.
Bye, Mila and Morphle. Now, time to turn myself back. Oh no! My teddy paws can't use the Teddy Zapper.
Did you hear all that? Yeah, I love teddy bears. Ooh, just think of all the fun we could have if everyone in the city was a tiny little teddy bear.
Oh!
Mila teddy bear, best teddy bear.
Oh.
Bandits!
And they have the Teddy Zapper.
Not in my city.
We'll stop those bandits. Morphle, morph into a tiger. Let's go.
What do you two want?
Your magic pet.
What? No way. Hey! Turn me back immediately!
Wait right there, bandits. You're not getting your hands on our magic pets. Morphle, morph into a scary T-Rex.
Morphle, morph, morph.
We didn't think that through.
We still need to get the Teddy Zapper. Quick, catch them.
How about we turn you into a teddy bear?
The Teddy Zapper only works on humans.
Oh no! Now I'm a teddy bear! Oh, you're so cute!
Great! Now we can zap everyone back again.
Ah, that's better. but not for you two.
Oh, at least I'll have a cuddly teddy bear with me in jail. Let go of me.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Let's make today magical. Morphle, morph into me. Yeah! Now put these on, and we can play pranks on Daddy and our friends. You look exactly like me.
Morphle is Mila.
Oh, it's you, Mila. I didn't see you come down.
That's because I'm still up here.
Then you must be Morphle?
Hey, Mila, do you and Morphle want to play?
Morphle no here, but Mila play.
Great, let's go.
Hi, Mila.
Hi.
What shall we play, Mila? You're great at thinking of fun games.
Tag?
Yeah, okay, Mila. You're it.
Tag.
Whoa!
Wow. Wait a second. You're not Mila. You're Morphle.
Look! Morphle isn't with them, so we can steal their toys. Great idea.
Hey, that's ours.
Thanks for the hula hoop.
Give it back.
Mila!
Hey, that's not nice.
What's going on? Get me down! Yeah! There's two Milas! Hey! Come back!
Morphle! Did you have fun being me?
Yeah, but Morphle like being Morphle best.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty.
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Whoa, cake! Morphle eat cake.
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph.
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why you?
Morphle, sorry. Morphle, no eat Daddy's cake.
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle, morph, morph.
That's the third time today.
Sorry.
Oh.
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hey, what about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Mila! Morphle! Geraldo's on the phone for you.
Thanks, Daddy. Hi, Geraldo.
Hello! As a thank you for always being so helpful, I have created a special new ice cream flavor. Mila and Morphle Swirl!
Ice cream!
Oh, it's so delicious, I can't stop eating it.
And now there's only a bit left.
Ice cream!
So you need to come quickly before I finish it all. I'm on Jungle Island.
Orphle come too?
Oh no, it's Orphle. If he gets there first, he'll eat all the special ice cream. Morph into a super fast race car to catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. Watch out, Morphle. A race car isn't so fast in the ocean, Orphle. Hey! Morphle, help! Mila! Thanks, Morphle. Well done, Morphle. We made it to Jungle Island. Let's go find Geraldo. How will we get through all these trees? Morphle, morph into a monkey. A race car isn't so fast in the jungle, Orphle.
Huh? Oh.
Orphle, get ice cream!
Don't worry, I just made some more. Now there's plenty for everyone.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, ready for our picnic?
Yes, Daddy.
Yay! Picnic!
We're off to the park. Take good care of the Magic Pet Center while we're gone.
Bye-bye, everyone. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
They've gone! Now we can steal Antmo and use the Bandit Mobile to channel his freezing powers. Not bad. You! Gotcha! Now, Atmo's freezing powers can be zapped through this tube. Well, hello, madam. Is the hot weather bothering you?
Yes, terribly. How nice of you to ask.
Freeze her! Much better, right?
This looks like the perfect place for a picnic.
Whoa! Hey, how did this ice get here?
It's the bandits. They've got Atmo and are using his freezing powers to make ice.
Poor Atmo.
Let's get him!
Oh no! They've frozen Morphle.
Morphle, morph into something big to break the ice. Well done, Morphle. Now we gotta catch those bandits before they freeze the whole city.
Freezing people? Not in my city. Freeze, bandits!
Okay, Officer Freeze.
Look out, Morphle!
Let's get him!
Mila! Morphle!
Phew! Thanks for melting the ice, Morphle. Now, morph into a monster ice truck. Great job, Morphle!
Oh, how about this? Oh.
My beautiful ice cream truck! Let's make this an ice cream picnic.
Yay! Ice cream!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city. Look, it's Orphle. Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
Ron, how did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze. Quick, Orphle, morph into something big.
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera. Please.
Come and get it.
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no! It's Mila and Morphle! Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
Morphle! Morph into a T-Rex too!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
That's not big enough!
Huh?
Morphle! Morph into a robot too!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
I don't feel so good! Orphle, stop that!
Okay. Awful tired now.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Hey, Daddy, look at me.
I can't see you, Mila.
Look up. Hi.
Morphle and Mila the superhero.
Awful wanna join.
Huh? Orphle, what are you doing?
Awful super suit.
Yay! Now we can all be superheroes. Let's make today magical. Oh, I have an idea. Let's have a race.
Morphle race, Orphle. Orphle race, Morphle.
First one to reach the mountaintop wins. Ready?
Set, go! Orphle, wait! Whoa! Huh? Oh no, now they're ahead. Let's jump. Whoa!
Wow!
Oh yeah! Huh? What? Orphle, that wasn't nice.
Huh? Well done, Morphle! I've never felt so strong! Woohoo! I think I know a shortcut. Go that way, Morphle. Woohoo!
Ha! I think we're winning, Orphle.
Yay!
Huh? Orphle, let's morph wheels in a jetpack to jump over the river.
Yay!
Morphle, morph wings so we can get up the mountain.
Morphle, morph, morph. Morphle too tired. Orphle tired too. Mila won?
I think it's a tie.
Yay! Orphle no win?
We all won.
It's not about winning. It's about having fun that really counts. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Or two.